I'm writing an event photography book. I have been writing an event photography book for like 8 years, and I realized I've got this like backlog of ideas that I have always wanted to do, that I haven't done, that have just been drawn out, and I'm sick of it because I want to get this information out. I wanted to work on this book or finish this book for so long, and I haven't, and it's preventing me from working on new things, new exciting things, and I don't even know what those things are because in the back of my mind, I have unfinished projects I need to finish first. This is one of them, and this video is about the process I'm going to take to finish it. Eventually, I'll finish this book, and what I want to do with it is I want to finally make my channel sustainable. I would like to provide it to people for a minimal cost, but in order to get myself to write it, I need accountability. I need accountability, and I need a way to flesh out my ideas. And that's where this comes in. What I'm going to do is, most of the book's been written, but I want it to be perfect. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share all the ideas that will go into this book, all the different subjects, lighting, flash, composition in event photography, what and how to deliver to clients, all of that. And I'm going to talk about it and then get feedback hopefully from you guys in the comments. And that will help me kind of answer the questions maybe I have not foreseen people having, and then really fine tune this book. So I'm really excited to announce that. It's going to help me be accountable. I think this is a better way for me to make content too. When I'm out and about, I feel more natural. I need to move. I like to move. I'm obsessed with movement, and sitting in my like apartment or studio and just like talking at a camera, it feels so unnatural to me, and I get too much in my head. I want to be perfect. I want to like deliver it perfectly well. And this is just more conversational, the way I'm gonna go about doing these videos. So stay tuned for those. I look forward to doing it. I hope you guys enjoy the ride. I think I'm going to. I'm making this video after I already did one video. So I'm enjoying it already. I hope you guys do too.